In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to recover deleted projects in CapCut. Now, let's say you mistakenly deleted your project. To recover it back, simply tap onto the settings gear icon at the upper right. You will then head to Feedback. It's just under Feedback and About. Now on the Feedback page, head to the option of Project Not Found. Here you just have to tell them that you mistakenly deleted your project and you really need it back. You can add in some screenshots related to your deleted project. And once everything is set, make sure to enter your email address. Ensure using the email address you used while opening up a CapCut account. Once done, tap on Send. CapCut won't take 6 to 12 hours before replying to you, and it also depends on the backlog of emails they have. If fewer, they will reply right away, and eventually your deleted project will get recovered successfully. Well, that's how easy it is to recover deleted videos in CapCut. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.